Hi, I'm Dr. Jim Carlson from the Grove Animal Hospital, and I'm going to be discussing an IHT this evening, case number 00307. This is a German Shepherd that had itchy skin and had some redness and licking of the paws. And so in explaining that, I have set up here, the symptoms are over on this side, and the imbalance starts over here, in which we can see that we had stressed joints, stressed skin, circulation, cell metabolism, which indicates that we're producing free radicals, two sets of allergies, which allergies to the environment and allergies to the digestion, and then also sensitivity related to the adrenal gland. And so when the body goes out of balance, these are the factors that create the symptom over here. And so how do joints, skin, circulation, and all this add up together? Well, if we think about this dog is producing allergens out of the environment. So whatever it's being exposed to, the air it breathes or the food it eats, for example, creates chemicals. And those chemicals have to be cleared. And so that clearance produces excess heat. And the skin is the out point and the paws are the out point, and that's where ultimately we get the symptoms over here. And so the idea is that, first of all, we want to recalibrate these stress points by using hemp oil. And we take the hemp oil and we run an infusion, and that infusion sends a microcurrent into the hemp oil that customizes it to recalibrate these weak and stressed points. And number two, we want to help with the pattern. So we use a prescription herb called Kushen Shiwu. And Kushen Shiwu is going to clear heat, it's going to detoxify and help stop itching. And so the hemp oil is for 3 months, and the prescription herb is for 3 weeks. In the meantime, we definitely want to get some comfort. So we have to use prednisone at 5 milligrams a day, which we're already on, and hopefully that's going to soothe the itching until we get this back to normal again. The B12 is also going to help to clear heat and improve digestion, and so we can do that. An injection every 3 weeks is needed as well.
Can you just talk a little bit about heat, because I know this time of year is a prime time for dogs to, or any animal, to develop heat, humans too.
That's right, because the things in the environment cause toxin in the body, and those toxins can be, in this case, like free radicals are produced from increased cell metabolism. From the air we breathe, there can be things in the air that create heat and inflammation. Also, the food we eat can change the constituents of the type of diet and what kind of nutrition we actually absorb, and that can also cause heat. Well, unfortunately in dogs, humans, we sweat, so we can get rid of heat through sweating. And dogs can't sweat, so they have to get rid of it some other way. And so that inflammation usually has to go out as an out point to the skin or the feet or the ears in order to try to clear that heat. Otherwise, they don't have any other way to do it.
So like their whole body is hot.
That's right.
And what would be some of the like signs if you looked at 3 dogs and you could tell the one that had heat? That was heat.
That dog could be, if it's a young dog, could be restless, kind of hyperactive, can't get comfortable, will lay down for a little bit and then get up and move around, try to find a cool spot. The other thing it would do is start panting, like it's restless or it has extra heat, so a dog has to pant. Also, you're going to see redness or rash or inflammation on the skin as well. So there'd be 3 main things that we would see in the dog that has the most problems.
And this is all Chinese medicine, right?
Right, we're blending Chinese medicine with a little bit of traditional, and then also using a little bit of homeopathy to help with the rebalancing over here. So we're really integrating therapies. The first one is we want to get it under control so the pet's more comfortable while it's reconditioning over here. So if we have questions, definitely want to call the office, 847-541-4005. We want to use the email growpets@yahoo.com in case you have questions after hours and you want to get those answered. Also, I'm free continually for consultation during this process because there's going to be questions and there'll definitely be some changes that you might have questions about. whether it's on the positive side or if we see more symptoms that we have to address. We want to make sure that we're tracking the progress all the way through. Thanks so much.